Hi, my name's Michelle and I'm a fourth-year fashion design student, and welcome to the screen printing studio. So, we'll start over here. We've got a whole bunch of colors, paints, everything. And here's the table where we do screen printing on fabric. Anything's possible, we all just come with our ideas, and from here, as you can see Eva working, we just do what we want. Here we have Ava, who's busy working on one of her pieces for a final collection and screen printing a print of her design onto an existing fabric already. Here we've got some other students working on paper instead of fabric, that's also possible. Busy layering ideas and prints as well, which, yeah, the more depth you can add to work. We also have a heat press where we can print a whole bunch of stickers and foils and other designs. And we also have a heat machine here where we dry the paint after printing there. So once we layer different colors and all of that, you can put it on, dry it, continue working. So it's all pretty fast and anything is possible here. Here we have Walter. Hi Walter.
Hi Michelle.
He is one of the assistants in this department and he helps us bring all of our ideas to life and helps us with all the technicalities in this department.
Yes.
Yep. So we normally start off with the screens over here, as you can see. Big sizes, small sizes, all the different kinds of sizes. And then we go to Walter and he adds the exposure things to the screen, emulsion to the screen. And then he uses this big machine to expose our ideas onto the screen, which we then use to screen print and develop things from there. We use to clean out all the paint and make sure all the screens are kept in nice, good mint condition.